Have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun wherever you are. God bless. I'm Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
And today we are
Big Belly Bumbles.
For today.
What's the chisel for?
Where you see a chisel?
That's what you're doing, isn't it?
It's a putty knife.
Okay, so, but you're chiseling though.
There's some corrosion here. It needs to come off. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Kingpins are installed. I just have to put the caps on and grease it up. Kingpins are installed.
Wow.
Then you can uninstall them. In case you didn't know, you can install them upside down. Did you see that? I installed it upside down the first time around. I was like, how come it won't turn?
So because you had it upside down, it wouldn't turn.
Yeah, because these were hitting against the chassis. It's like, but it went together pretty easy upside down. So, you know, in fact, it went together easier upside down than it did the right way.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
But you obviously knew right away you had put it in upside down.
No, I was going to build it like that. I was going to drive to San Jose with it upside down. That's what I was fixing to do.
All right, so you have successfully put the kingpins in.
Yeah, the kingpins are in on both sides.
And the kingpins are only a front thing, right?
On this truck.
You mean on different trucks they have kingpins in different places?
I know if I answered it like that, I was going to get that question.
Well, you said on this truck.
Yeah, on this truck.
Okay, so does that mean that
I don't know what it means.
All right, so for this truck, there's only the two kingpins.
That's right.
And now they're in. Well, thank you for joining us on this January 29th, 2025. So, Kingpin 101, huh?
Yeah. So, that you can put them upside down and right side up. Either way you want to go, it'll go.
Nice.
So I just got to finish putting it back together.
Well,
now.
congratulations, Stephen. Congratulations. This was Stephen's first time to put them in. After all these years of being an owner-operator, it's the first time you've done kingpins. Is that correct?
Yep, that's correct.
Now there's nothing you can't do, right?
Well, I don't know about all that.
Well, I'm proud of you, Stephen. And everybody who watches the channel and watches on a regular basis should be very proud of you.
Y'all proud of me, big belly?
Don't forget your glasses are over here. Don't want to shut the hood with your glasses right there.
I'm a long ways from shutting the hood. I'm just done installing the kingpins.
Well, everybody give Stephen a clap and a shout out in the comments and tell them that you're proud of him for doing the kingpins.